In today's video, I'm going to teach you Notion versus ClickUp, which is better, new research. Let's lay the groundwork first. Both ClickUp and Notion promise to tame modern work by pulling your projects, knowledge, and communication into one place, then supercharging it with AI. But they come at the problem from different angles. ClickUp leans into execution and coordination, trying to replace a patchwork of tools and eliminate what's often called work sprawl. Those gaps where context gets lost and tasks fall through the cracks. Notion, on the other hand, is built around a flexible workspace for knowledge and documentation that now automates projects and surfaces answers with AI. Starting with ClickUp, the core idea is ambitious. Software to replace all software. The highlight is ClickUp Brain, an always-on assistant designed to give you ambient answers, help manage projects, and even convert speech to text so you can draft or update work up to 4 times faster. It's not just an add-on. It's woven into the way you plan, track, and collaborate, so you can move from Slack messages or meeting notes straight into actionable tasks without recreating context across apps. ClickUp also brings specialized AI agents that mirror how real teams operate. Project management agents track deliverables and keep timelines aligned. Marketing agents draft copy and help you move faster from brief to execution. Software agents assist with code, quality, and workflow handoffs. Additional agents focus on operations and the employee experience, removing tedious check-ins and bridging the gap between strategy and day-to-day execution. The result is a system designed to centralize work, reduce status churn, and keep teams focused on outcomes, not updates. The platform's scale and trust credentials are part of its pitch. It's used by a very large number of teams and aligns with global security standards such as SOC2 and GDPR. Vendor-reported results highlight dramatic time savings, rapid payback, and significant ROI, which is compelling if you're consolidating many tools and manual processes. In practical terms, ClickUp tends to fit best when you need tight coordination across functions. Think product, marketing, operations, and engineering working from the same source of truth, with clear ownership and traceability, as work moves from plan to done. Shifting to Notion, the emphasis starts with knowledge. It's a workspace where teams write, organize, and share everything from documentation and roadmaps to onboarding plans and meeting notes. With Notion 3.0, that familiar canvas is now powered by a Notion agent that collaborates with your team. It can search across all your pages and files, and even scan the web to surface what you need without you hunting through folders or tabs. That means you can ask for answers in context and keep moving without breaking focus. Notion's AI isn't limited to search. It's also a highly rated writing partner, trusted by a broad range of organizations for drafting, brainstorming, and refining content. That matters if your work is driven by documentation, specs, knowledge bases, or creative briefs. And with Notion Mail and Notion Calendar, you can bring communication and scheduling into the same environment you use for plans and notes, creating a smoother loop from idea to task to time block. You can start for free, which lowers the barrier to experiment and onboard gradually. So how do they compare in everyday use? If your team struggles most with scattered projects, missed handoffs, and status updates that live in too many places, ClickUp's structure and departmental agents are built to address exactly that. It's oriented toward execution at scale, with AI supporting planning, tracking, and coordination. If your team's power comes from shared knowledge, writing, organizing, and continuously improving a living system of documents and processes, Notion's flexible pages and AI writing and search capabilities are a strong fit, especially now that you can automate projects and connect your inbox and calendar. Their AI philosophies reflect these strengths: ClickUp's agents are role-based and operational, pushing work forward and closing gaps between plans and delivery. Notion's agent is context first, finding and synthesizing information so you can think, write, and automate from a single source of truth. Security and trust are important on both sides. ClickUp emphasizes enterprise standards and scale, while Notion highlights adoption across major organizations and startups for a wide range of use cases. If you're deciding between them, anchor your choice to where your team loses time today. If the pain is project execution, too many status meetings, unclear ownership, or constant context switching, ClickUp's all-in-one approach is designed to consolidate workflows and make responsibilities visible. If the pain is fragmented knowledge, answers trapped in docs, scattered notes, and disjointed planning, Notion's workspace plus its agent can centralize the brain of your company and turn it into action with AI-driven writing and search. Both can handle projects and documentation. The difference is which side they start from and optimize most deeply. To get started effectively, map a real workflow you want to improve and make that your test case. In ClickUp, set up a project with the milestones, owners, and deliverables you already run. Then lean on the agents and talk to text to reduce routine updates. In Notion, build a page that combines your documents, task database, and calendar, and let the agent pull in references and draft the content that slows you down. In both tools, define what success looks like: fewer meetings, faster handoffs, or clearer documentation, so you can measure the impact rather than relying on anecdotes. Here's the bottom line. ClickUp is the better fit if you want a single system to run cross-functional execution with AI agents that manage deliverables and reduce administrative overhead. Notion is the better fit if you want a unified knowledge workspace with powerful AI writing and search, plus mail and calendar to keep everything connected. Choose the one that aligns with how your team creates value. Then go deep on its strengths.